Introduction to using DeepSeek AI inside N8N with AI Agent. To get started with using DeepSeek AI inside N8N, you need to have a basic understanding of both N8N and DeepSeek AI. N8N is a workflow automation tool that allows you to connect different apps and services, while DeepSeek AI is an artificial intelligence model that can be integrated into N8N to enhance its capabilities. Step 1: Setting up N8N and DeepSeek AI. First, you need to set up an N8N account and install the DeepSeek AI node from the N8N library. Once installed, you can drag and drop the DeepSeek AI node into your workflow and configure it according to your needs. You will need to provide your DeepSeek AI API key to authenticate the connection. Step 2: Configuring the DeepSeek AI node. After setting up the DeepSeek AI node, you need to configure it to work with your specific workflow. This includes selecting the AI model you want to use, defining the input and output parameters, and specifying the task you want the AI to perform. For example, you can use the DeepSeek AI node to analyze text data, classify images, or generate text summaries. Step 3: Integrating the AI agent. To take your workflow to the next level, you can integrate an AI agent into your N8N workflow. The AI agent can be used to make decisions based on the output of the DeepSeek AI node, allowing you to automate more complex tasks. For example, you can use the AI agent to route data to different paths based on the output of the DeepSeek AI node. Step 4: Testing and deploying the workflow. Once you have configured the DeepSeek AI node and integrated the AI agent, you can test and deploy your workflow. This involves running the workflow with sample data to ensure that it is working as expected, and then deploying it to production where it can be used to automate real-world tasks. Best practices for using DeepSeek AI inside N8N. To get the most out of using DeepSeek AI inside N8N, it is essential to follow best practices such as providing high-quality input data, selecting the right AI model for the task, and monitoring the performance of the workflow. Additionally, you should ensure that you have the necessary permissions and comply with any applicable regulations when using AI models. Conclusion: using DeepSeek AI inside N8N with an AI agent can help you automate complex tasks and workflows, and enhance your productivity. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and following best practices, you can unlock the full potential of DeepSeek AI and take your workflow automation to the next level.